In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm socket, remove the 2 caliper bolts. Pull the caliper off. We're going to hang this somewhere where there's no tension on the hose. You can use a hook if you have it, or you can just leave it right here. Remove the pads out of the caliper bracket. You may need to use a flat blade screwdriver. Using a 14mm socket, remove the caliper bracket bolts. Remove the caliper bracket. Remove the dust cap out of the rotor. Just use a small pick tool. If you're having trouble removing the rotor, you can go inside of here with a flat blade screwdriver and move the star wheel and loosen up the shoes. Remove the rotor. Install the rotor. Putting ours backwards to begin with. Take some brake parts cleaner and spray the face of it. Take a clean rag, wipe it down. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Remove the shims from the caliper. Using a wire brush, go around and clean the mating surfaces for the shims. Ours are clean, so we're not going to worry about cleaning them. After cleaning with a wire brush, we're going to take a bit of lube and spread it on our mating points. You just want a really light coat. And then install the shims. Pull the slides out. We're going to clean them off. Re-lube them. Do the same thing on the other one. Install the caliper bracket onto the vehicle and get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bracket bolts to 46 foot-pounds. Included in the kit, you're going to find a little squealer Install this onto the back pad. Just like that. Tab will be facing inward. Then install the pads into the vehicle. Grab your caliper from where it's hanging, pull it down, and install it onto your caliper bracket. Install the caliper bolts. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Remove the bleeder cap from the caliper. Using an 8mm wrench, we're going to open the bleeder screw. We're going to wait until there is a solid stream of brake fluid coming out with no bubbles. Once we have this happening, we're going to take our wrench, we're going to tighten the bleeder screw up, wipe away any extra fluid using a clean rag, and then reinstall our bleeder cap. During or after your brake bleeding procedure, you may need to top off your master cylinder. Install the wheel, get the lug nuts started, snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.